Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. I am working on doing a set of brakes on my Jeep, but this is not only related to Jeeps, but all vehicles. So one of the most important things doing a brake service, or even if you're doing an inspection, is to always have a look at your pins. And these ones here is a little dry, but this bottom one, luckily, it still turns, but it is like seized up. So we're going to have to take this apart, clean it, re-grease it, and lubricate it before we can put it back in. This one here, on the other hand, oh, it's coming. It's tight. There we go. Yeah, it's really dry. Same thing, grab another rag. And I'm gonna spray that up. I'm gonna blow it out without knocking over the camera. So a while ago, I bought these brushes. Clean her out as best as we can will help prevent other shit from building up. And have a look inside. Bore's clean. Bore looks good. Same thing. Gotta throw a bunch. Throw my rubber boot on. Throw a bunch in the rubber boot. Grab my pin. Lubricate my pin. Nice and thoroughly. Throw this one in. And it's like brand new now. Before it wouldn't even move. There we go. The ticket is using that little brush because it does a great job of cleaning it out. And with the pin being re-greased, all new boots, we shouldn't have an issue again. I'll see you guys later. Take care.